So, the name of the act is Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984, Act number 3 of 1984. The date of the consent is 16th day of March 1984. This act provides the prevention of damage to public property and all the matters connected therewith. This act is enacted in 35th year of the Republic by the Parliament. Total number of sections are 7. Section 1 is short title, extent and commencement. This act may be called as the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984. It shall extend to whole India, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir, according to Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019. Section is 95, schedule is 5, table number 1 and serial number 77, which came into force from 31st day of October 2019. The act, that is Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act, shall came into force from 28th day of January 1984. Section 2 is definition clause. 2A is mischief. Mischief has the same meaning that has been referred under section 425 of Indian Penal Code, Act number 45 of 1860. 2B is public property, include a property that is movable, immovable, any machinery and that has been controlled, owned and possession by central government, state government, any local authority, any corporation governed by any provincial, state or central government, any company that has been established under section 617 of the Company Act 1956 or any institution, concern or undertaking by the central government that has been specified in the notification. Section 3 is mischief causing damage to public property. Whoever cause mischief or cause any act that cause mischief to the public property shall liable to be imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years and shall also be liable to fine. Subsection 2, whoever commits any act that causes damage to any building, institution, any property that is used for the production and distribution or supply of water, heat, electricity and energy, or any oil institutions. Third is any sewage work. Fourth is any mine and factory. And the fifth is by means of telecommunication